Can you see? Can you see the screen now?
Yes, I
Okay.
can.
Yes, very good. All right. We'll make it bigger for you. Okay, bigger. We have here a conversation. Okay, so this is about story and listening. Now, okay. Can you see the screen clearly?
Yes, I
Now,
can.
you are going to listen first, and then after that, you are going to read with me. Okay, we listen first. We listen.
Listening 9. Listen and read. Then act. 1.
Mum, where's my phone? Is it in the living room? No, Mum.
2.
Well, is it in the dining room? No, it isn't. And it isn't in the hall.
3.
Oh, I don't know. Is it in your bedroom, Sam? No, Mum.
4.
Listen. It's under the mat in the bathroom. Oh, Sam.
Okay, so see, all right, now we are going to do it on our own. So do first picture 1. Okay, so you will be Sam, I will be Mom. Okay, you read Sam, then me, I will read Mom. Okay, you start. Okay, you start. You read Sam.
Where's my phone?
Is it in the living room?
No, Mom.
Well, is it in the dining room?
No, it isn't. And it isn't in the home.
Oh, I don't know. Is it in your bedroom, Sam?
No, Mom.
Listen. Kring, kring.
It's under the mat in the bathroom.
Oh, Sam. Okay, let's switch. I will be Sam. You will be Mom. Okay? I am Sam now. I will start. Mom, where's my phone?
It's in the living room.
No, Mom.
Well, it is in the dining room.
No, it isn't. And it isn't in the hall.
Oh, I don't know. It is in your bedroom, Sam.
No, Mom.
Listen.
It's under the mat in the bathroom.
Oh, Sam.
Okay. So, what is the dialogue about? Where's the phone?
It's under the mat in the bathroom.
Okay, it's under the mat in the bathroom. So, why do you think it's there? Should it be there? Should the phone be at the bathroom? Should it be at the bathroom?
Yes.
Where should you put your phone? If it is you, where are you going to put your phone? Are you going to put it in the bathroom?
No.
Of course, no. Where are you going to put your phone? Where are you going to put your phone?
I don't know.
No, maybe in your bedroom or maybe in the living room, but not in the bathroom. What is the bathroom for?
It's
What is
in
the bathroom for?
the
Hmm?
room.
Okay, so the bathroom is for taking a shower or for taking a bath.
It's
Now,
a shower.
Yeah, you take a shower in the bathroom. How about the living room? Because mom said first, is it in the living room? So, what is the living room for? What do we do at the living room? What do we do at the living room? What do we do at the living room? Here, this one, picture one is living room. What do we do here? What do we do in the living room? So, in the living room, that is the...
Watch TV.
Okay, very good. So, the living room is the place where you watch TV, or maybe you can play as well, right? You can play at...
Play.
Yes, you can play at the living room because you have a wide space there. You can also study. Now, on the second picture, mom says, well, is it in the dining room? So, dining room, what do we do in the dining room? Okay, very good, say. Very good. So, we eat at the dining room. Now, on the third picture, it says bedroom. What do you do at the bedroom?
Sleep.
Okay, very good. So you sleep in the bedroom. So these are the things that we do in the different parts of the house. In the living room, you watch TV or you play. While in the dining room, you eat food. You eat breakfast, you eat lunch, you eat dinner in the dining room. In the bedroom, of course, you sleep or you take a nap or you rest. That is for sleeping or for resting. Bathroom, that is the place wherein you take a shower or take
Take a
a bath.
shower.
Okay, very good. All right. So we move on. Now look at our picture here. So we have here objects that I would like you to look and where. Tell me where you can find them. So the first one, okay, let's take a look first at the picture. So what room is this? What part of the house is this?
It's a bedroom.
Bedroom, very good. How about this one? What room is this?
It's a bathroom.
Okay, it's the bathroom. How about this one? What's this?
It's a living room.
Very good. It's a living room. And this one, what is this?
It's a kitchen.
Okay, it's the kitchen or dining room. Okay, you have the dining room. All right, see the objects on the sides here.
Yes, I
Okay.
can.
Now, I will ask you, bed, oh, the room, specify the room. There, okay, there in the bedroom. Say that for me. There
There
in
the bedroom.
we say there because there are two. You say they are in the bedroom because there are two. But if it is only one, you say it is in the bedroom. This picture, where is the table?
Is the table in the bedroom and the table in the kitchen and the table in the living room.
Okay, there are three tables, but can you see this specific table? Look. So where can you find this? Look at the picture. Which table is the same as this table here?
Here.
Okay. So what room is it? Or number 3. Now, can you see this picture? We call this as...
I can.
Okay. So repeat after me. Curtains.
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 Okay, so where's the curtains? Where are they? Where are the curtains?
The curtain is in
The
the
curtains,
bedroom.
the curtains are There are two. Okay, say that. The curtains are
The
in-
curtains are in the bedroom.
Very good. Next, can you see this one?
Yes, I
Okay.
can.
So it's a picture. Say that picture.
Picture.
Now, where's the picture?
The picture is in the bedroom and the picture is in the living room.
Okay, so there are two pictures and two separate places. So one picture is in the bedroom and the other one is in the living room. Very good. Next, can you see the last one here?
Yes, I can.
What is that? Me.
It's a mirror.
Very good. It's a mirror. Now, where's the mirror? Where's the mirror?
Is in the bedroom and the mirror is in the bathroom.
Okay, very good. So there are two mirrors, one in the bedroom and one in the bathroom.